Thank you so much, sir, for all those perspective on that issue. We're shifting our focus now to some more breaking news that's coming in. Hotel owners from West Bengal, Siliguri, have announced an extension of the boycott on Bangladeshi nationals in their establishment for the new year, citing recent anti-India campaigns from across the border. Following the recent anti-India campaigns, the owners decided not to allow Bangladeshi nationals, and posters reflecting the ban have been put up in hotels across the city. Sandeep Kumar, Secretary of the Greater Siliguri Hotel Welfare Association, has said, and I quote, "Those who are passing remarks against our country, we will allow them to take any facilities in the hotel industry. Apart from the organization, those who are not our members, they are also supporting this decision." Joining us on the broadcast is my colleague Nibir Teka with more on this. Nibir, we are seeing posters, and now the hotel owners have stated that Bangladeshi nationals won't be allowed to stay in these hotels even for the New Year's.
This is a ongoing development coming in from Siliguri, where hotel owners have extended the boycott of Bangladeshi nationals in their hotels for New Year. Siliguri is a place where a lot of these Bangladeshi people come and spend their New Year's. It has been a traditional thing, but currently the hotel owners have come out and they have made a stand that they are not going to accommodate any Bangladeshi nationals who come to Siliguri during the New Year festive period, as they have been doing it routinely over the years.
Nibir, I'll request you to stay on with us as we have some more inputs on the story. Ujjwal Ghosh, the Joint Secretary of Greater Siliguri Hotel Welfare Association, has said, and I quote, "No Bangladeshi nationals are being allowed to stay in any hotel this time. Even Bangladeshis coming on student visas and for medical treatment are not being given hotels." Adding that the anti-India statements being made by Bangladesh must be restrained and that business cannot be given priority by hurting the country's identity. Let's in fact listen into that statement.
देखिए, हम लोग का डिसीजन हम लोग ने पिछला साल ही ले लिया था दिसंबर महीना में। इस साल भी वो डिसीजन हम लोग ने जो रिलैक्सेशन दिया था वो हम लोग ने विड्रॉ कर लिया। डिसीजन वही है कि कोई भी बांग्लादेशी हम लोग का सिलीगुड़ी का कोई भी होटल में, कम से कम हमारा जो मेंबर होटल्स है वहां पे अलाउड नहीं है। अगर स्टूडेंट वीजा और मेडिकल वीजा में भी आए तो उसमें भी कोई भी बांग्लादेशी को हम लोग सिलीगुड़ी के कोई भी होटल में रूम नहीं दे रहे हैं। जो हमारा मेंबर्स है वो तो देंगे ही नहीं, और जो हमारा नॉन मेंबर्स हैं उन लोग ने भी हम लोग को सपोर्ट किया है कि बांग्लादेशी को भी हम लोग कोई भी होटल में हम लोग जगह नहीं देंगे। नया साल का मुबारक हो सबको, ये तो हम लोग अपनी तरफ से बोल रहे हैं। और अगर आप बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखेंगे कि बहुत सारे बांग्लादेशी टूरिस्ट यहाँ पे आते थे 31 और 25 दिसंबर का फेस्टिव टाइम के लिए, लेकिन इस साल हम लोग ने अपना देश को आगे रखा, अपना बिजनेस को सेकेंडरी माना है। तो इसलिए अगर कोई हमारा बिजनेस में जो भी नुकसान
Nibir, so we are hearing the secretaries and the officials of the hotel associations, and they are stating that even people who are in fact students or who are coming here for medical treatment, even they won't be allowed to stay in the hotel. So that's what is the input that is coming in from Siliguri right now. And we heard the officials over here. This was Ujjwal Ghosh, the Joint Secretary of Greater Siliguri Hotel Welfare Association, who stated that even if you are a person, a Bangladeshi who's on student visa, even if you have come here for medical treatment, no hotels in Siliguri will be allowed to in fact stay over there. So Nibir, I wanted to understand that if there are people, obviously Bangladeshi nationals, in emergency situations like health or a student visa, they also have been denied hotels now.
Well, this Bangladeshi nationals coming to India during the New Year is not a new thing. They have been doing it for a long time. And what the Siliguri Hotel Associations and the owners have done is that they have stated that they are not going to allow anyone and to stay there because they feel that the ongoing situation in Bangladesh, where such comments have been made, especially against India, anti-India comments, and as well as comments also made against taking the eastern side of the India or the northeastern side of the India. These comments have infuriated those hotel owners, and as a result of that, they have rejected any sort of people coming from Bangladesh to stay there, and that has been a stand by them, so that these comments, because it is their sort of a protest against the comments made against India by the Bangladeshi emerging new Bangladeshi political class, and they have totally condemned these comments.
All right. Thank you so much, Nibir, for all those details on that story.